Here we have a USB flash drive that came in for data recovery. And the flash drive came in this condition. Bent. Let me open up the shell. And let's take a look and see what's going on here. We can tell that all the legs are broken. All the pins are broken, every single one of them. And the connector is still holding, I think, from the far edge or from the two center pads. No problem. The connector looks like it's still holding from here, here, and here. Those pins are broken off the connector. Okay, the connector is out. Let's get rid of the glare. Just like that. And it looks like we lost a trace here, so we're gonna have to restore that trace. Let's grab a donor connector. We have a lot. And I have a connector with wires already soldered onto it. Maybe we can use that one. We are not working on this flash drive for the sake of fixing the drive, but we are working on it so we can recover data. So that's what we want to do for the customer. Some people think that we are fixing the flash drive because we want to fix it. And they comment something like, the flash drive is only $10, $20, $30. Why would anybody want to fix it? You need to think outside the box. Do not be closed-minded. Let's do this. The easiest way to go at it right now is to solder those wires. And let's use the NF-B NorthridgeFix tweezer. I spoke about this in a previous video. You can buy the tweezer off our site. It's one of the best tweezers that I've laid hands on. Very fine, very precise. Every tweezer is quality checked to make sure it's perfectly aligned. And when you have a precise fine tweezer like this, it gives you a lot of control. Let's solder this guy right here. And finally, we're going to solder the positive wire. So we did ground, D minus, D plus. And now we're going to do the positive wire, but the trace is gone, is ripped. The wire should solder on to the top side of the resistor. Maybe we can tilt the board like this. And we need to solder the wire right on top here, like this. We want to make sure no two wires are touching. Just like that. Now all we need to do is connect our USB cable that connects our computer right here, and we should be able to read the files. Let's see. And look at this. Where's the light? Yes, I do see all the files. Yes. Awesome. We did hear the tone. And let's wait and see. Yes, I got it. I got the files. I got the files right there. Wow, we did it. Let's unplug and plug it back again. And some people may freak out and say, why didn't you back up the files first? What if you're not able to see the files anymore? You need to be optimistic. Confidence. Let's wait. Yes, right there. We got the files. We got the files. I'm going to go ahead and back up the files to a new USB flash drive, invoice, and mail this back to the customer. Customer paid for expedited service. We got the drive in today, and we're going to recover data today. And we're done. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think. Leave it down in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll do something else in the next video.